Okay, I'm going to show you this second one and hopefully it will help you with all the other ones. So we're going back to conversions like we did earlier in the year. They're giving you the information that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So then they're going to give you more than 1 pound. So now you're working with 12 pounds. So to figure out how many ounces are in 12 pounds, think again, if 1 is 16, then we're going to have to multiply 12 by 16 to figure out how many ounces there are. So you're going to have to think back to when we did multiplication and make your area model. And sorry, using this tool, this one may not be super clear, but I think you can get the gist. Okay, so our problem is 12 times 16. Gotta split up your tens and ones. I have 1 10. It'll be 10 here, 2 here, and then you gotta split up your 16. You have 10 and 6 ones. Okay, and then it's just remembering what goes in each box. So in this first box, you're gonna do 10 times 10. In this box, you will do 10 times 2. Okay, and this box down here, it'll be 10 times 6. And then in your final box, it'll be 6 times 2. All right, so after you figure out what you're multiplying, you have to go back and multiply all these numbers. You'll do 10 times 10, you'll do 10 times 2, 10 times 6, 6 times 2, and then you have to add all of your answers together, and then that will be how many ounces are in 12 pounds. Okay, hopefully that will get you going. If you still need more help after that, just let me know.